So this section we'll be talking about body-water balance, which is comprised of sources of water for the body, how water leaves the body, and how water is absorbed within the body. To start, how does water leave the body? The largest component is through urine, which ranges from about 1 to 2 liters per day. Coming up next is fecal losses, which are usually small at about 200 milliliters per day in the absence of diarrhea. Another 350 to 400 milliliters is lost daily through the respiratory tract. Sweating, which serves as eliminating heat from the body, can be about 100 milliliters to 300 milliliters when it's not sensible, and over 1 liter when extensively sweating. Moving on to major sources of water for the body, water from fluids such as beverages like juices or sodas contributes about 75 to 85% of intake. Water from food is the remaining 20 to 25%. And a third source is from metabolism of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, which can be about 300 milliliters. Now moving on to absorption, water is also present in the digestive tract after the ingestion of food and beverages. About 7 liters is released in the gastrointestinal tract as part of digestive secretions. Over 98% of this water is absorbed from the small intestines and large intestines. About 85% of total water is absorbed in the small intestines. The remainder is absorbed in the large intestines. Of the about 1 to 1.5 liters of water entering the large intestines, 90 to 95% is absorbed, with only 50 to 200 milliliters being excreted daily as a part of feces. To summarize, water can leave the body through urine, fecal excretion, the respiratory tract, and sweating. Sources of water include fluids, food, and metabolism of macronutrients. Water is also released in the GI tract as a part of digestion, and the majority of the water is absorbed in the small intestines, leaving the rest to either be absorbed in the large intestines or excreted. So the big picture is that in a healthy individual, water input would equal water output. Thank you for watching.